Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how you can add a custom watch face to your Apple Watch. So just unlock your iPhone, go to photos. So I'm just going to go to my panorama and I find this quite a beautiful watch face. So I'll just click on share and I'll go to create a watch face and it will show something like this. So I like this one, so I'll just click on this and I'll click on add. Right, so now I'll be opening my watch app, and if you see my watch face is right here, and I'll just say set as current watch face. So here is my Apple Watch. So if you see, I have created a custom watch face for my Apple Watch. Thanks for watching guys. Do hit the like button if you like the video and please subscribe to my channel.